guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing some Night Funkin right here, and we're going to be doing week 7. So let's pick a song right now. Stress. Why did you put Stress? I hate that song. Silver but bad. Seriously? That's your name? You know what? Fine. I'm not gonna even pay attention to that. Why isn't the missus there? Never mind. That's weird. Why is it so laggy? Is it because I'm recording or something? Yeah, now it's not laggy. Yeah, I must send it. I hate these big arrows that come, because that lowers my accuracy for nothing. Stop giving me those big arrows. Look at my accuracy. Even though I have more accuracy than Silver, even though I'm still winning. But the bar. Why are you giving me that nerd emoji, bro? I'm literally going to win because your accuracy, it's more lower than mine. This is easy. Ooh, yeah. Whoa. I hate the big arrows. I want to smash it into pieces. Ew, what kind of emoji did she send me? That's so disgusting. Oh yeah. Oh yes, the bars are, oh man, I'm going low. Oh boy. Please, I want to win. Yeah, I'm gonna lose indeed. Stop sending me that kissing emoji. That's nasty. Well, GG, man. This bar. Oh Lord, why did I pick Stress? One more song, and I'm gonna end this video. Well, there's some 3 storms in a time tick right now. I'm gonna make a video about that later. So let's do a last song in week 7. What? Oh, stop with that ads. No. No, stop that. Stop with the ads. Seriously. And why are there ads on the bottom of my screen? Bro, this game is rigged with these ads. Oh, yay, guns. My favorite. Even though my most favorite is... No Pro Chappy Bomb. Wait, what? What's that name? Like, I was like, what? No Pro Chappy Boo. Oh my god, I forgot. Why didn't he give me well, indeed I'm going to lose. Oof. Wow, that guy is good. Well, let me just send that smiley emoji. Come on, just miss a no. Oh my god, this is crazy. I think this is more crazy than Stress. Come on, put the accuracy low. Stop giving me the big arrows. Oh, my accuracy. I'm going to lose because my accuracy is low. Ah! That was the hard part. Come on, miss some notes. Thank you. Oh, man. Bro, stop sending me those emojis. I know you're pro, but don't brag. I mean, like, that's weird. Whoa, I didn't miss on that. Yeah, he's gonna win. Seriously. Oh, yeah, put that accuracy low. Bro, just miss a damn note. Whoa. Yeah, and I'm going to make a a video of the 3 storms in Atlantic. Atlantic has been so inactive. Since Elsa has formed a hurricane, it's been like 3 weeks of an inactive Atlantic. No, 1 month and 1 week of inactiveness in Atlantic. Finally, there's activeness. But do not strike land. But Fred already made the landfall in Pensacola, Florida. Well, I lost. How am I losing a lot? Is it because I'm talking so much? Well, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. And ring that bell. And like if you want. And comment. And if you have a YouTube channel, comment on the chat. Yeah, right there. And like and subscribe to your channel. Alright, so stay alert to my channel when I make the hurricane video. Bye.